Hey guys, Mama Circus here. Today I'm going to be cleaning my 6-year-old's bedroom. It is in such disarray and I have a whole ass bed to put together. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, I would like to start off by saying thank you so much for being here. It really means the world to me. As a mom trying to grow her YouTube channel, I really do appreciate all of the love and support. So please like this video, comment down below, and be sure to give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. As for the name of my channel, Mama Circus, I don't think I explained it enough. The reason I call my channel that is because I'm a mom and my life feels like a circus, as I'm sure all you other moms out there can relate. So it's not just me. I thought it would be relatable to everybody because we balance so many things in our lives as mothers or just parents in general. But yeah, I'm also kind of losing my voice. I don't know. I'm not sick, just losing my voice. But anyways, we're going to power through this voiceover and power through this room. And I just, like I said, want to thank you so much for being here. It really does mean the world to me. So usually my husband would be putting the furniture together, but he has been working nights. So I have been left to my own device to figure this out myself. I just grabbed his drill from the garage and I decided I'm just going to go for it. And honestly, you guys, it was so easy. If I can do it, I believe anybody can do it. It was so simple to put together. And yeah, I actually am pretty proud of myself as I put together both of my daughter's vanities. And I have also been putting together other random little things, projects. So yeah, I'm just trying to become more self-sufficient in those aspects because like I said, he has a very busy work life. So I'm trying to be able to do as much as I can on my own because Lord knows I don't have patience and I sure as heck do not like waiting around for somebody else to do something for me. I am so out of breath, you guys. I really need to lose weight. I have sleep apnea, all the things. I am going to start a health journey and I am going to document it. So stay tuned if you would like to see that. I will be posting those videos in the future. But yeah, I don't know. As I'm getting older, I'm finding that I really do need to start taking my health more seriously. And yes, this weight loss is really a big deal for me. I really am going to start trying to make an effort and start working out because I really need to get at least 20 to 30 pounds off. And then I think I would feel like so much better. I'm just so out of breath all the time. And I shouldn't be that way at 37. Hold my fat ass. All right, so the bed is put together. I tested it, checked out. Everything's good. It can hold my weight, so I know it sure as heck can hold my 6-year-old's weight. Now I'm just trying to figure out how to move these other pieces of furniture around in the room to best, line up the bed and everything like that. Let's just say I had to move the furniture around quite a few times before I figured it out. But I got it, and that's what matters. I literally stayed up till 4:30 in the morning, you guys, doing his room and then my other daughter's room. It was just a complete cleaning marathon, and I had so much energy that I didn't want to quit. But I did regret it the next morning when I had a bunch of kids sleeping over at my house, and I had to wake up with all of them. So he wants to do his room in, you guessed it, Minecraft. I mean, come on, who doesn't love Minecraft these days? The movie was phenomenal. I don't even play the game, and I thought the movie was so adorable. It was really funny and cute. But yeah, he wants to do Minecraft in his room, so I am thinking about getting some dressers to match the bed. But then my sister gave me a good idea that I should sand down the dressers he already has and paint them to look like some type of Minecraft theme. And I honestly think that I might do that because it sounds like such a cool idea. And if I do, I definitely will make a video on it. Those dressers in his room are my father's dressers. So they're his grandpa's dressers from when he was a child. Like, that is some vintage stuff right there, okay? And they are made so nice. They've been painted like 3-4 different times. They used to be my daughter's dressers, and then we passed them down to my son. So they've just been in the family for a very long time. So yeah, if you have any cool ideas to make these into a Minecraft dresser theme or something like that, drop it down below in the comments, because I need all the themes I can get, or I mean ideas I should say, for a Minecraft room, because I really want to blow it out of the water and make it look so cool for him. He hasn't had his room designed at all, so this is going to be our first time doing his room, and I really cannot wait to make it look just so cool for him. I want him to love his space because he still sleeps with me, and I want him to want to sleep in his own room. So yeah, we're going to try and just make it so cool. All right, we are all done. Now the next step is decorating and painting. I cannot wait to do all the things, but thank you so much for watching me clean this room up. I hope it gave you some motivation. I will be posting my daughter's room next, so look forward to that, and I will see you guys in my next one.